Hi everyone, how are you? Yeah, this is Kabilan. You know all very well about me. So today our topic is to be how to become a specialist in Primavera P6 and how to improve our skills in planning. Okay. So here, what are the records skills required for planning? The skills, the basic skills. It's like first we need the graduation in like in B Tech or ME Tech, or not only in civil engineering, any divisions. It's okay, no problem. And the max skills, since they're very basic max skills like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, this is sufficient to start your career in planning. No need that much advanced calculation like differential calculation, technical calculations and all not required for us. The basic computer skills like Word, Excel, PowerPoint presentation, Power BI, Primavera P6, MS Office, Gmail software skills, and then Primavera, MS Project. So these are the softwares as a planner we have to know. And then communication skill. The communication skill is most important for planners because we have to be coordinate with many people throughout the world. We have to be coordinate with the client. We have to coordinate with the contractors. So the skill is most important. Okay. So we have to be develop ourselves in the communication and for our better coordination and better communication with our opposite parties. Okay. Primavera uses. The purpose of Primavera is when you are starting your project, you have to be link your all your activities which are coming in your project. You have to be break down your overall project into small work breakdown structures. Inside each work breakdown structures, you have to be create the list of activities under the each related work breakdown structures. In that what you have to do, you have to be add the resources which you need for that activity to complete. Resource in the sense manpower, machinery, materials, etc. And then cost. If you complete this cost, how much we can able to get that cost we have to be added there. And machineries. What are the machineries we need complete that activity that we need to be added here. If you add everything, and if you got the approval for that program, if you monitor the program accordingly, then you can control your project on time and you can complete your project based on the time which was agreed with your client. And then the cost also you can complete whatever you are the contract, right, you will get the profit. And at the same time you will not face any reworks or any loss in your project. Okay, so if you add all your data, the Primavera, it will be looks like this. Okay, so you can see here. So these are all the high level WBS, general requirements, engineering, material procurement, construction and closeout. These are all the high level work breakdown structure in the project. Inside that, we have to mention the list of activities. And if you add all those things, this is our histogram. Okay, this is our manpower histogram per week, per day, how per hour, how much manpower we need, we can able to extract from here. And here you can see this is your histogram for this activity, how many manpower we need per day, we can able to see here. And then material wise, if you see here, the material wise here, these are all the material which are coming in the project, pipelines, install work, duct installation, everything. These are the materials when we are going to start and how many days it will take, what are the materials we required, we can able to see here. And then roles and responsibilities of planner. So roles and responsibilities of planner to arrange a manpower at site on time, arranging a material at site on time, arranging a money on time, and arranging a machinery on time. Because these four are factors are the backbone for the projects. So as a planner, we have to be arrange the prop exact man which we need at the correct time. For example, if you are doing a block work, you need a mason. So in Primavera, if you ask, the Primavera will tell you that how many mason you want in this time. So based on that, you have to approach your management. You have to be get the manpower at site and you have to done the work. And then missionaries. Missionary wise, many you know very well, our man efforts are less, missionary efforts are more. So we have to be use the proper missionaries to reduce our working time. And the materials. We know like for block work means we need the block work. If we want to do the plastic means we need the plastic material. If you want to do the steel work means we need the reinforcement. So everything we have to be arranged on time to give to our construction team and to complete the activity. Next, cash flow. So cash flow is nothing but that we have to be manage the fund flow throughout the project. If we do this much work, this much amount we can able to get in this month. So based on that, the next month we can able to claim this much amount, or we can able to recover this much amount from the project. We can able to use the Primavera and we can get it. Okay, and making a meeting between client and contractor, make arranging a meeting between client and contractor, and we have to, as a client, as a contractor, we have to explain to our client how the project is going on, what is the planned percentage, what is the actual percentage, what is the planned cost, what is the actual cost, how much we planned, how much we achieved, where we are now exactly, everything we need to be show based on these presentations. The next one, communication. So here you can see the peoples who are all working throughout the world, because now we are doing project in India, but some people are working from work from home. Some people are working in Dubai or Qatar or anywhere. So they will be give their inputs related to our project. So what we have to do, we have to be coordinate with them, and we have to get the details, and we have to make a presentations, and we have to show to our client or our management. The cash flow analysis already told that cash flow is the most important thing for our project. We have to be arranged on time and we have to do it. Okay, career wise growth. So the planner, entire world, okay, throughout the world, you can go in the construction, any construction you can take. The role planner responsibilities will be more, the planner requirement will be there. So if you have planning skills, you can work in metros, you can work in airport projects, oil and gas plants, high-rise buildings, tunnels, roads, villas, hospitals, anywhere you can able to work. So only the skill you required is you have to develop yourself in the planning softwares, and you have to be aligned with that software, so that you have to be update yourself to get a job. Okay, so we in the next class we will be see that how to install the Primavera and how to start our learning in Primavera. Okay, thank you.